Mastering the basics of modeling. Top modeling jobs. www.topmodelingjobs.com. 1. Consider situational modeling. If you do not think the runway or magazines are the point for you, look into other types of modeling. Companies use models for specialized events or to publicize specific products. There are far fewer restrictions on body type and more emphasis on character for these types of modeling jobs. A promotional model. A handful of companies desire their user base to socialize straight with models who are completely appealing with amiable people to improve their brand. You may find these models in grocery stores, events, or clubs marketing points like food, liquor, or new items. A spokesmodel. Spokesmodels are chosen to stay constantly based on a certain brand. Contrary to popular notion, spokesmodels don't generally have to verbally enhance the brand. A trade show model. This type of model is hired by companies or brands to advertise to participants at a trade show tent or booth. These models are often not utilized by the company, even so used as freelance models for the event. 2. Consider your look. The look that you speak can be created up of both your body type and your style. There is further of a curvy California look, a slim and advanced New York appear, a waif-like European look, and a boy or girl next door look. Realize what you are outfitted with, but as well try to pull apart other looks. 3. Inform yourself concerning the market. Learn as much as you may from studying literature, internet sites, and articles about modeling. Examining level of high-quality publications, articles, and literature will make you maximize crucial ability, like posing and posture, and much easier learn just how the world performs, such as just how to identify an agent. Also study trustworthy agencies that place models in high-profile places, such as mags and fashion shows. 4. Be ready for a challenging road. The modeling world is jam-loaded with pretty faces. Being good-looking does not equate to success as a model. The modeling business is not only on the subject of looking great. You have to fit the need of specific jobs just to be able to get a chance. Modeling is just for dire people who bring individual looks and features. Since there are so many people trying to turn into models in modern world, it's very complicated to get into the sector. Accomplishment will just come with perseverance and conviction. 5. Don't be shy. You should have to promote yourself and seek chances to step up and show your possibilities. Standing back and being polite will not take you in the direction you are going. Be yourself, allow your character shine, and have a confident character. If you do not feel convinced, fake it. Modeling often necessitates acting skill as well. Join our 100% free modeling mini course. www.topmodelingjobs.com